Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we are going to check out this Mr. Hard Water glass sealer for shower doors and windows. This is basically meant to put on windows that get hit a lot with water, and you want them to repel the water so they do not get a lot of hard water stains. Directions are pretty simple with this. You want to clean and dry the surface, spread and buff the sealant evenly across the surface. We're going to use a microfiber towel today. They suggest applying 2 coats if needed. We're going to let that dry for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to buff out with a wet microfiber. And I'm just going to show you how the water repels before, and then we're just going to do a part of the window so you see the difference of how this all works. Let's get right to it. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a small layer basically of this in this little Tupperware. Anytime you use this for a customer, I would go ahead and charge them for whatever amount you're using. Okay, so first what you're going to want to do is you want to clean whatever glass you're doing this on, whether it's a shower door or anything. Even if there's hard water stains already, you want to try to remove those and then put this sealant on. Okay, now I'm going to show you how water goes onto the glass without having anything on there at all. Okay, so that's the clean window without any of the Mr. Hard Water sealant on there as far as how it reacts when the window's clean. Clean that off. Okay, now I'm going to take the microfiber, and you can do this. They have an applicator as well that you can buy, and I'm just basically going to make it like that. And I just have a very small layer of it in here. I'm just going to put that in there to get that microfiber fully wet. And then we're just going to coat about this square right here. Now we're going to let that dry for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to polish that out with a wet microfiber, and I'll show you the difference as far as how this side repels water to this side. Okay, it's been a few minutes. It's all dry on there. I can see a light haze. You probably can't see that in the video, but there's definitely a haze here that kind of looks like if I just, put some dirty water and kind of smeared it. So you definitely have to buff it out. But they do suggest buffing it out with a wet microfiber, and I've done that before, and it works a lot better than just trying to use a dry microfiber. You'll be sitting there all day trying to do it. You could use pure water, or you could use just regular water for this from your tap. I'm not soaking microfiber, I'm just getting it wet. You see there. And we'll just go over the area. So all of that's clear now. Now I'll show you the difference in how the water repels in a different area. So now you see how this area was treated, this area wasn't treated. So a lot of water left on here where all of this just came right off. Show you that again. So area that's treated, area that's not treated. So that's what it's going to do for you as far as being able to repel from the glass. You still get a straight free finish out of it after you buff it out. That's just simply how you apply it. It's super easy. It smells a little bit strong, but it's not bad at all. No need for like a mask or anything, but if you feel like it, you may want to. But yeah, that's exactly how it works. And that is Jflint Mr. Hard Water glass sealer for shower doors and windows.